And there it is, all done. Doesn't it look beautiful right there? Oh my goodness. I am going to have to keep my eye on it though, because I kind of forgot about the air coming out of the heater. It kind of blows to the side of this plant though. It just was running just a few minutes ago. And I noticed just the edge, like the leaves on the edge were moving, but it wasn't touching the rest of the...
Hello! Nagbe-breakfast ako. Champurrado, egg salad, cheese, coffee, and bread. Okay, tapos na ako mag-almusal. Ito na ang ating weather report. So, sa ngayon ay -14. -14. Extreme cold warning. It feels like -23. So, hanggang bukas ang ayan, -24, yan, -14. Yan may oras, tapos mayroong feels like -24 later. So, ayan na itsura ngayon. So, ang nangyayari, nagyayelo. Ayan, yelo yan. Ayan. Yelo. Ayan, yelo. Buti na lang at walang snow dito. Kung may snow dito, makakadulas yun pag may yelo. Delikado. So, tignan natin kung meron tayong sulat, letters, or sa mailbox. So, may cold warning tayo. Punta tayo sa harap at tignan natin kung may mail. Kahapon hindi kami nag-check ng mail. Masyadong maginaw. Ayan na. Buti na lang. Oh, wala din ditong ice. Oops. Empty. Baka hindi nagdadala ng mail kasi maginaw. Sobrang ginaw. Yan ang ating porch na maraming paso na patay ang mga halaman. Lakas ng hangin, yung may bandera ng kapitbahay kay David. Pagpag ng pagpag yung bandera ng Canada. So, yan ang ating weather today. At ang aking kamay ay nagpo-frozen na hanggang bukas sa ating weather report. So, ngayon ay Tuesday. Tuesday, January 21. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow sa ating weather report.